Fix in 5. Let's decode P0471. Exhaust pressure sensor range/performance problem, bank 1 or single senator causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, rough idle or unstable RPM, black smoke from exhaust, fuel overfueling, decreased fuel economy. Now the most likely causes. Defective or aging exhaust backpressure sensor. Faulty wiring or corroded electrical connections to EBP sensor. Engine control module, ECM, software fault or calibration error. Exhaust system blockage or restriction, carbon buildup. Excessive exhaust backpressure due to DPF clogging or converter issues. How to fix it? Replace exhaust backpressure sensor, most common fix for range/performance faults. Clean or replace wiring connector. Apply dielectric grease to contacts. Reprogram or update ECM calibration if available from manufacturer. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 110 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 230 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0471? Short trips may be possible with P0471 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0471. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.